On Wednesday, February 19th, 2020, the Rowe Middle School Unity Team will be hosting Bazaar.
The event will take place from 6:30 to 8 p.m.
A bazaar is a fair or sale at which miscellaneous articles are sold, often for charitable purposes.
The point of this bazaar is to showcase Rowe's artists, support our Rowe community team, and provide information for the LGBTQ community.
Here's how it will work. Students at Rowe will be able to sell their own art.
That's right. If you've got some amazing art that you would like to sell and showcase, you can do that at the bazaar.
You can sell original pieces or make copies of your art. If you'd like to sell your art, you will need to sign up with Miss Perpich. There are also sign-up sheets in the lobby.
Say you were to sell a piece for $4, 75% of that sale, or $3, will go to you, the artist.
The other 25% or $1 of the art will go to the Rowe Unity Team so that they can organize future events.
If you aren't an artist, come out and purchase or view some great art. You can also see other cool things that students and people are doing in our community.
There will also be a local LGBTQ organization giving out pamphlets and providing our support and information for LGBTQ youth and their allies.
It will be a fun, artistic community event for everyone to enjoy.
So, to recap, the Unity Team Bazaar takes place on Wednesday, February 19, 2020 from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m.
If you would like to sell your art, grab a form from the lobby or Mrs. Perpich's class and submit it to Mrs. Perpich.
See you at this awesome event supporting awesome people.